This looks really bad.
This might be a little weird, but I love the rain. So after a long day at work, I was so excited to go for a rainy beach walk with my dog Nova. Then we return home to this. It's called ice damming, when ice builds up in the eaves troughs, and it's pretty common in older homes.
This looks really bad. I don't know what to do.
Let's run away. Yeah, no, can't do that. I just called my mom and cried a lot and went to bed. I had nightmares about my whole house falling down around me. Because, oh yeah, remember when this happened 6 months ago? My big, beautiful walnut tree came crashing down onto my house, right through the roof. And I've been living under a tarp all winter long because insurance could not get to me until springtime. I'm not impressed with their work, so I'm dealing with new contractors to help me with this new problem. At least spring is coming, right? There'll be some rain to look forward to.